Okay, so we're going to got some space clean, even more beauty. Oh, so we're gonna take this bad bitty over here, take it apart, and find out what's wrong with those extra hoses. That's extra parts, man. It's getting in your way.
A little bit.
All right. Well, yeah, so take this thing apart and see why it doesn't fill. It's no agitator. Well, it's a big thing. High efficiency. Plastic's still on it too.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
Here we go.
Alright, well, see how this goes. Okay, so here we are. Got the top panel pulled off, holding the wiring and the hot and cold solenoid. We got our little redneck hookup here with the hose. Oh, that's not going to do. Get that back on the ground. So it drains out there. And yeah, we're just going to do a little mock run here and see what figure out our diagnosis.
Sense filling.
Sense. Oh. I heard that bark. Hey, oh.
No, it's
I know. Okay, it was filling and it just died. Whoa, there we go. Yeah, you can see that little capillary filling up. Cold. Oh. Yeah, she's...
I got it cold, I think.
Oh, yeah, there it goes. Oh, yeah.
Did the other one go?
Yeah. It's a nice, tight panel. It's, yeah, it's easy to work on, that's for sure. Look at all the quick connects, all the parts that are listed with part numbers. Oh my, color coded. You can even have that visual cue for your water filling.
Sense hose here.
Yeah, the sense hose. And so you think maybe they were just
who knows? Get lucky, maybe just
apathetic about it, or is there actually like a... Is it filling?
Yeah, it takes a while.
Doesn't smell like cat urine, does it? Well, that's a good sign. It is kind of dirty, but I mean, it's to be expected. 2017, it's got a few years of filth on it. Okay, shut the camera off too early because this is only minutes later. We're like doodly-doo, waiting for this thing to fill up. Right? Sounds good, looks good, except for...
No, it doesn't look good.
Yeah, it doesn't look good because there's no water.
Where's the water?
Well, we figured out where the water is. It's just running down the alley.
Okay.
Racing to the drain. So, yeah, the barrel's not holding water. So that's where we're at. That's where we're at.
Okay, let's stop this.
Back, we just took the back panel off. There she is. Give it a jiggle. That's all. It's just hung on there by the bungee spring cords, the metal rods with. Oh, yeah. Cool. Well, I guess we should have set up a time lapse, eh?
Good. So how do we want to do that?
Okay, we got her flipped over. Let's have a look at the bottom here. Let's see. Bits of linoleum in there. There we go. There's the motor pump, solenoid, drain hose. It is a tight little package, this one, isn't it?
I'm thinking, why it leak? Let's have this apart.
Okay.
So,
What's that?
I'm thinking
Oh, that's the drain
1,
solenoid.
2, 3 bolts.
Okay. I'll get some tools.
And
Getting the tools. Okay. From the bizarre files. Not much time has passed since the last clip. All I did was pull this guard off and that solenoid, yeah.
and that belt was off.
And the belt that connects these two was off because it looks just like, I don't know, a nasty piece of whatever, but
What is that?
if you get right in there, kind of looks like the snout of a mouse, doesn't it?
In the ear and
In the ear,
that's the head of a mouse.
but it really is. That's a squished mouse in a belt.
And that's probably the
Here,
rest of the
look
mouse.
at the... Oh yeah. Oh god, gross. Okay, let's maybe get a better shot. Okay, so we're back to this same washer. The Whirlpool. We got the dead mouse out of the belt and cleaned up all the
Looks pretty good
mouse
now.
remnants, piss and feces and whatnot. It was all caked in there.
Put the pump back on.
We're gonna put the
Pompii.
Pompii back on. Nice tight
Vaseline.
fit. And yeah, run it. Well, put her all back together and run it.
Long or short, thick or thin, Vaseline will get her in.
Oh my goodness. This is family friendly video. What are you doing? It's you need... So back to the Whirlpool. Got it all back together now. Mostly, except for that top panel, so we can see what's going on. And anyone who is a keener watching the first half of this video would have noticed, or the beginning part, would notice that the way I hooked up the hose had no bend, no U to prevent the backflow. So that's possibly why it was all draining out. That's my fault. Like a dum-dum. But hey, you live and learn, right? So
Attempt number 2. See if we can get some.
yeah, are we gonna have to stick a screwdriver in it to block the lock?
Or we just set the lid on her.
Or
put the lid back
put
on.
the lid back on. Okay, I guess I gotta put this down. Put the lid back on.
Oh, I see.
Lid is on. Fire away. Oh, okay. We hear.
Promising.
We hear. Spilling.
What temperature we got?
There you go. Warm will be going across.
Yeah.
Both barrels.
Yeah, go faster.
Yeah. Alright, are we leaking out down the alley?
Nope.
Negative. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. See if it's holding. There's water in it. It's holding.
This water here before?
Probably when I was hooking it up.
Oh, probably the hose. Okay.
Well, these people thought it was garbage, right? So, I suppose if we get it working properly, doing a service. Service for the good. I like this hose thing, that's cool. Bungee to the
That's pretty buckaroo bonsai, eh?
bungee to the light. Yep. Oh, I think we're gonna get some action here. Where is it? Oh no! Oh, listen to that. There you go. This should look like pushing. What? More water? Oh, there we go. Just hope I don't drop the phone in there. Suppose we could use this to make wine or something? Put a bunch of grapes in it? Alrighty, whoops. Well, I took the screwdriver out.